Hi everyone, this is Ada. Welcome back to my channel, and I have an unboxing video today. I shopped in the city yesterday after going to the dentist, and I met Dayle from Dayle's Addiction. We had a fabulous time, but before we met, I did a bit of shopping, which is very dangerous. I don't live too far away from the city. I live in Brisbane, but I try not to go into the city too much because this happens. So let me just show you. I went to Gucci first, and I'd done a lot of research. This bag I had on my wish list for a while. It probably was maybe a couple of weeks or a month earlier, but because I was meeting Dayle and went to the dentist, I just decided to pop into Gucci, as you do, and get this bag if it was available, and it was. So I am really, let's leave that there just in case the doggies want to get up. I am really in love with this new packaging from Gucci. I'm a bit of a vintage girl. I love old things. I love print. I just love everything. And this box just is, to me, vintage inspired. So I actually love this box. Actually, the box is just as good as what's inside it. I saw Vivian. She was my sales associate at Gucci. I said I'd give her a mention because she just gave me the best service, and she bought out everything I wanted. And I have a bag that's been repaired at Gucci. She went and found out about it. So yeah, I was really happy with her. And I definitely, if you're in Brisbane or you want to buy something from Gucci in Brisbane, check, contact her because she was good. So let's just go with the unboxing with the ribbon. Is it a magnetized one? See, yes it is. Let's just see how it's packaged. So there it is in the paper, and those who know Gucci will probably be able to tell what range it's from. The new multicolored comes in that multicolored bag, which I love. So without further ado, this on the ground. And the reason I got this bag is I want to add a bit more color into my handbag collection. I have lots of bags now, black and neutral ones, and I want to just add just a bit more color into my collection. So I got the Dionysus bag in the emerald green, and this is in the small. So there's a wok or a wallet on a chain, or a mini. It might be a mini as well. It might be a mini wok on a chain, and then the bigger size than this. So this is the small. I will do other videos on this. This is just an unboxing today, so I won't go into detail as much, but this is her, and I love the color. And like I said, I'm trying to get more bags in my collection that have color. So she's just beautiful. Yeah, happy. Okay, so then I just thought I will have a look in Yves Saint Laurent, or YSL as I like to call it, because I'm going to blame the video that I did, which was if you were starting a YouTube, or if I was starting a collection, handbag collection with $5,000, what would I do? And this bag came onto my radar again. I had put it in as one of my bags that I would buy if I was starting a collection. I've always wanted it, so let's just do that, and then I can tell you why. So this is my very first purchase from YSL. Box is there. So let's just slip the box off. Very classic box in black and white. Oh, nicely wrapped. How it came. I think very important with buying designer handbags or products, items of any sort, that they wrap it nicely, because I think the shopping experience is about the service and the boxes and how everything is presented and wrapped. So really happy with that. So I got, oh, this dust bag's nice too, really thick. I got the Kate, I think this is the Kate clutch, and the Kate clutch with just the simple gold hardware here. Sorry if you can hear my dog, she's playing with her toy. I have wanted this for a while. I'm 58, I'm a bit old-fashioned in some ways because I have always wanted a handheld clutch with no chains, nothing like that. I looked years ago at a Chanel bag, which now isn't produced, but it was like a handheld clutch, and this is why I wanted this for my collection. So that is her. Like I said, I will do more videos on her. I'll have to check on the size. I think it's the medium, but I'll go and do a bit more research. But it was exactly what I wanted. And before I go, I'll just tell you the prices, just in case anyone wants to know prices. I believe this was $1,000. So this one was $1,530. Which, you know, I'm going to have in my collection, such a classic, and I'll continue to use this at night time. And the Gucci bag, I think, if I can find the receipt. Oh, here it is. No. The receipt on this, I think, was $3,390. Like I said, it is the small. So if there's any questions on that, please feel free just to leave them down below. But I will do videos separately. Now there's sirens going. Like I said, I live in a city, so this is the noises we get. But don't forget, everyone, Ada loves style. See you again next time. Bye. If you like this video, please subscribe, push like, and follow me on Instagram. And don't forget, everyone, Ada loves style. See you again next time. Bye.